In this video, I'll show you how to download Roblox on your computer so you can start playing it. So what you need to do is open a web browser and go to roblox.com. So go and search on Google for Roblox, then click on the first link and it will take you to the homepage. Once you're here on the homepage, you will have a sign in or a sign up button. Make sure you've created your account and you've signed in. Then you can go ahead and click on any game. Once you've done that, you need to click on the play icon here. Then it will load Roblox and get it ready. Now if you've never downloaded it before, it will start the Roblox download. So click download Roblox and then it should download in the top right hand corner. You can go ahead and click on this installation wizard and here you'll see the Roblox app starting to download. It will first download Roblox Studio and then it will download Roblox Player. Once they've downloaded, it will then load into your game. We're now on the Roblox app. You can go ahead and play the game if you wish or go home. Here you can see all of the games that you can possibly play. Now we're inside the Roblox Player. It will also add a shortcut to your computer desktop. And that's how to download Roblox on your computer.